Unsaturated polyester resins used to make glass reinforced plastic, GRP, are organic, and like all organic compounds, they will burn. However, by applying Fireguard, it is possible to modify their burning behaviour. This product has been designed to apply as a top coat to any general-purpose GRP laminate to achieve outstanding fire performance properties. It is also suitable for use on wood and other slightly porous surfaces. When used, customers achieve maximum fire protection at minimal cost. Fireguard is used by many customers in building, marine and transport applications. For instance, it is used in engine rooms in boats, on GRP exhaust pipes on boats, behind external parts on buses and on cladding panels on buildings. It is a cost-effective way of achieving outstanding fire protection. It achieves BS 476 Part 7 Class 1 and BS 476 Part 6 Class 0. In this demonstration, Fireguard will be brush applied onto the interior of a GRP box, although a spray version is also available. The product should be allowed to attain workshop temperature before use and then the required amount decanted. An application of 800 grams per square metre will give the recommended thickness of 0.5 millimetres. As the part being painted has a surface area of 3 metres squared, 2.4 kilograms of Fireguard is being weighed out. The recommended catalyst, Butanox M50 or equivalent, is added at 2% and then the two components are thoroughly mixed. The product is applied to the reverse side of the GRP laminate, not the gel coat face, and the surface should be clean and dry with any sheen or gloss removed. Apply quickly, as once the catalyst has been added, it will have a limited working life of typically between 10 and 16 minutes, so make sure you cover an area that can be worked on within this time constraint. Although Fireguard needs to be applied quickly, it should be done with reasonable care. Avoid pouring directly onto the mould and avoid large runs or drips down the mould surface. Once the mould has been covered, use long, even strokes of the brush to even out the thickness. As you can see, it is extremely easy to apply. Once applied, the thickness is checked to make sure that it is 0.5 millimetres thick. It is very important to achieve this required thickness to ensure a thorough cure. The surface will be touch dry in 1 to 2 hours after application, and when fully cured will be totally tack-free. An application of 800 grams per square metre will give the recommended thickness. Add 2% catalyst, Butanox M50 or equivalent. Apply to the reverse side of a GRP laminate. Apply quickly but taking reasonable care. Avoid pouring onto the laminate and large drips down the mould surface. Once the mould is covered, use long, even strokes of the brush to even out the thickness. Make sure it is 0.5 millimetres thick. The surface will be touch dry in 1 to 2 hours and when fully cured, totally tack-free. The best way to see the outstanding fire protection properties of Fireguard is to show how it performs when set alight. In this demonstration, a large GRP box that has been split into 2 sections has had acetone poured into the bottom and set alight. The grey half of the box on the left-hand side has been coated with Crystic Fireguard 75PA XL, and the white half on the right-hand side is a standard general-purpose GRP laminate with only a general-purpose top coat applied. The acetone starts to burn in both halves of the box, but the flames really start to take hold on the uncoated right-hand side. The fire is allowed to continue for over 4 minutes until it is evident that the fire is out of control on the uncoated half. The other half is clearly being protected by the Fireguard, and it is simply just the acetone vapours which are burning. When the fire is extinguished and the box examined, you can clearly see the difference between the left-hand side coated in Fireguard and the uncoated right-hand side.